We all grew up watching cartoons. We all loved it as kids, but there's something that Isita doesn't want us to know. The truth shall set you free, so lalela mntomnyama. Let's go back as Wele Mova to the very beginning. We have Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, The Flash, Green Lantern, Aquaman, Green Arrow, Shazam, Supergirl, Night Owl. Usuyayibona? You don't see it. It's fine. Cartoons, Amapopai, they shape the mindsets of ingane. They are the first things we watch. They are the first things we learn from. Besides Abazali, they are our idols. Asiqhubeke, let's continue. We have Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow. Namanje akayiboni. We have Doctor Strange, Ant-Man, Invincible Woman, the Fantastic. Namanje akayiboni. We have Spider-Man, Wolverine. Namanje. All our heroes amhlophe. Isitha. Understand ukuthi cartoons shape the mindset of ingane, but from the very beginning ingane is shown that the hero, the greatest people on earth, is Isitha. Whether you like it or not, they planned this. Understand ukuthi when ingane watches TV, they see Isitha and they automatically see ukuthi they are the heroes. Understand ukuthi it's all a narrative because the future is owned by ingane. Therefore, ingane has to always see Isitha as the hero. Superman, Isitha. But you loved him as ingane. You idolized him as ingane. You didn't realize ukuthi you were subconsciously creating a mindset that will always enable you ukuthi wena you should bow to Isitha. Batman, Isitha. But you idolized him. You loved him. Wawufisa nanokuthi ube uyena. Captain America, Isitha. What do you think happens to umqondo wengane yomuntu omnyama when they grow up watching TV and the only people they see as heroes are abantu angafani nabo? What do you think happens to mindset yakhe when they finally get to meet Isitha and finally see ukuthi this ufana nalo muntu ebengimbuka ku TV all my life? That means this is my hero. Spider-Man, Isitha. Not umuntu omnyama. Iron Man, Isitha, not umuntu omnyama. And understand, they brainwash ingane into thinking that Isitha is the solution to fixing the problems yasemhlabeni. Even esikoleni, Isitha is taught as the heroes and umuntu omnyama is taught as the villain. Understand ukuthi even incwadi that ingane yakho uses to learn shapes the narrative yokuthi umuntu omnyama akazi lutho whilst Isitha invented everything la emhlabeni. Do you see it? Usuyayibona manje lento engishoyo. Do you see it? Where is umuntu omnyama? In the history of all Naruto, where is umuntu omnyama laphaya? The GOAT, the legend, not to downgrade the impact abe nayo empilweni yami uGoku. Kodwa manje at some point you gotta sit down and ask yourself, where are the umuntu omnyama super saiyans? Where are the umuntu omnyama super saiyans? Where are our heroes? EP representation. I am not saying ukuthi amapopai are wrong. I am just saying ukuthi the narrative has to change because in the eyes of ingane yakho, Isitha is the hero. Yo.